Hello friends, we are on a bus from Kuala Lumpur to Malacca. Malacca is a small but extremely beautiful city in Malaysia. I will share more interesting details about Malacca in the next vlog, but right now the question is, how do you reach Malacca? So buddies, the solution is simple and very cheap too. You need to go to the level 3 of TBS bus terminal in Kuala Lumpur, and from there you have to catch the Delima Vision bus for Malacca. A Delima Vision bus departs from Malacca almost every hour, and the fare per person is only 12 ringgit, which is around $3. By the way, apart from Delima Vision, many other bus companies also operate from the TBS terminal to Malacca. Now if you enjoy suffering in the long queues just to buy tickets, then go ahead and stand in line at TBS terminal. Otherwise, if you are a smart traveler like me, just go to the RedBus website and book your seat online using a credit card. Your boarding pass will directly arrive in your email. Just scan your QR code at the boarding gate and simply enter the bus. Now enjoy the next 2 to 3 hours and admire Malaysia's beautiful highways and greenery. And yes, one important warning. The buses here have such a strong AC that you will feel like you have been given a free tour of Antarctica. So do bring a jacket or wear full sleeve shirt, and don't drink too much water, otherwise you might struggle on the long journey. After this beautiful journey of some time, the bus will drop you at Melaka Sentral bus terminal in Malacca. From here, you can easily book a cab using the Grab app and reach your hotel directly. So friends, if you found this vlog informative, don't forget to like, share and comment. And make sure to subscribe my channel Travel Addiction. I'm Farooq Qureshi. See you in the next vlog. Bye for now.